2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, center armrest, trip computer, power windows, heated steering wheel, compass, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.